Vanakkam. Hello, my name is Sudan. I'm the Executive Director of Ragam Exports. Ragam Exports is located in Tirupur, the knitwear hub of India, Tamil Nadu. So it was in the year 1987 this company Ragam Exports was founded. So since its inception until the year 2021, we have gradually grown. My intention is to take this industry towards Industry 4.0 because that is the hottest topic across the globe. And we at Tirupur are still at Industry 1.0 is all I could say. Though we have the vast infrastructure facility, the modernized machineries being invested across all the factories, still we are lacking in certain process or recording the process is all I would say. So Industry 4.0 is all about automatic data capture in whatever the process may be. The main data capture that we are lagging in the apparel factory is the sewing floor, what we call it as a production floor. We do have all the metrics in place, we have all the data in place, but that is not being recorded properly. Though we have the most modernized machinery, the most modernized factory, we still lack in the efficiency. So calculating efficiency is one of the biggest tasks today. So that is where we found difficulty, and over the discussion with Manavalan, he introduced me to Mr. Sandeep of Silai. So from then on, the discussions, it was actually across multiple discussions. Many thought processes were provided from us and many suggestions were provided from them as well. So it was actually a collective decision. Finally came out as a product. So I'm just more looking forward to implementing those products. The reason being that it automatically captures data, it automatically calculates the workers' efficiency, the skill matrix part. So whatever the part that IE plays across the apparel industry, so the Silai does all those works, and it actually helps as a tool for the quality part as well. So it helps us identify which part of the garment has found more difficulties or more errors have occurred, easier way to correct those mistakes during the production, during the inline itself. So that is actually the biggest feat. Taking up innovative ideas is all that we at Tirupur have to look into it, and it is the high time actually, because if we miss the bus, then we are not going to be a global competitor with Bangladesh or Vietnam, because they have taken the advantage of it, and they have the best IE systems in the world. Though we have the best factories and the infrastructure, we lack in the IE or we lack in the data analytics. So data analytics, not only with the apparel industry, it plays a major and vital role across any industries you may take. So this data analytics at par with Industry 4.0 is what I've been discussing and is what I've been implementing, and these things actually align to all these sustainable development goals. Since the pandemic has onset from 2020 onwards, we had actually faced many challenges. We had issues in sustaining our clients, we had issues in sustaining our workers, we had issues in sustaining the production cost, we have issues in name any process. We had all issues, and it is actually a challenging part. And at this modern era, in order to maintain or in order to sustain a valuable client or valuable buyer, you need many inputs or many external factors to support us with the factory part. And external support, what we seek is that we need a sort of IE system that automatically captures all these data, that supports the management to see where the bottleneck operations are being carried out, or to address those bottleneck operations, to address those mistakes happening places, and at the same time we have to reduce the cost of the production as well. The production challenges are the feasibility of getting the right product, getting the right product at the right cost, getting the right product at the right cost and with the right quality. So all these are an interesting topic, and we definitely need external agencies or external supports that has automatic data capture system, or that could in some way record data and provide an analytical report to the top level management or to the production floor manager, who in turn could identify and improvise the working efficiency. So when we overcome all these challenges through innovative discussions or innovative products or innovative systems, I'm pretty sure that I'm pretty much confident, to be honest, that we can sustain the existing clients, we can create a confidence amongst the clients that we work with, we could provide them the real-time data that we are actually missing it. So once we provide them the real-time data, automatically the confidence that the client or the buyer has in the apparel factory eventually increases, and that actually provides a better relationship with the clients that could eventually take us through a long journey with the high growth as well. So overall, in this system or in this supply chain process, everyone gets benefited. I'm just looking forward to working with such innovative mindsets, with such innovative people, and happy to be part of a forum that could inculcate most innovative process that could be implemented across the apparel factories. And with this, I just would like to thank Mr. Manavalan Sandeep for providing an opportunity to work along with them to implement their products or get my suggestions as well for the inputs. So with this, thank you all, and Nandri.